Welcome to Start My Channel. Today we are going to explore the small, innovative RV motorhome 2026, a true game changer in the world of compact travel and mobile living. This is not just another camper on the market, it's a revolution designed for those who want the freedom of the open road without the hassle of driving a huge, bulky motorhome. The 2026 model is packed with smart technology, efficient design, and comfort features that make it perfect for solo travelers, couples, or small families who want a big adventure in a small package. The first thing that catches your eye is the futuristic exterior design. Sleek aerodynamic curves, lightweight composite materials, and a size that's easy to park and maneuver in both cities and campgrounds. Despite its compact frame, this motorhome makes incredible use of space. Every inch is carefully thought out. The interior feels surprisingly roomy thanks to smart foldable furniture, hidden storage compartments, and multifunctional spaces. The living area easily transforms from a lounge to a dining area and then into a sleeping space. At night, the 2026 small, innovative RV is powered by an eco-friendly hybrid system, combining a clean electric drive for short city trips with a fuel-efficient engine for longer journeys. This means you can travel further with less environmental impact and enjoy quiet, smooth driving on electric mode. The solar panel system on the roof keeps your batteries charged even when you're off the grid, so you can enjoy days of camping without needing to hook up to external power sources. The kitchen area is another highlight, featuring a compact yet fully equipped setup, including a 2-burner induction cooktop, a smart fridge with temperature zones, and even a built-in water purifier, so you can safely use water from different sources. The bathroom is a marvel of engineering, compact but comfortable, with a space-saving shower and toilet combination, plus a clever ventilation system that keeps it fresh inside. Climate control is another strong point. The advanced heating and cooling system ensures you stay comfortable in any season. Whether you're camping in the desert or up in the mountains, the insulation keeps the interior temperature stable, and the large panoramic windows not only give you amazing views, but also bring in natural light, making the space feel much bigger. Safety and connectivity are also top-notch, with a built-in navigation system, real-time traffic updates, and integrated internet so you can work remotely or stream entertainment on the go. There's even a smart control app that lets you manage lighting, temperature, and security from your phone. This is especially useful if you step out for a hike and want to make sure everything is locked and secure. Storage solutions in the 2026 model are innovative too. Underfloor compartments, overhead cabinets, and even slide-out external storage mean you can bring all your essentials without cluttering the living space. There's a bike rack and an optional roof cargo box for outdoor gear. If you're into adventure sports, one of the most impressive things about this motorhome is how it balances mobility with comfort at under 7 meters long. It's easy to drive even for those new to RVs. Yet inside, it feels like a cozy, modern apartment with everything you need for a comfortable trip. Whether you're doing a weekend getaway or a cross-country tour, the small, innovative RV motorhome 2026 is proof that you don't need a massive vehicle to enjoy big adventures. It's efficient, stylish, and filled with technology that makes life on the road easier and more enjoyable. So if you're thinking about upgrading your travel game, this could be the perfect choice. Well, come to my channel.